Question number 8. We have f of x given here. The question is, what is the domain of the function f? Just like question number 7, we have to consider two things, right? So number 1 is, since we have a radical here, inside of the radical, 2x plus 1 must be greater than or equal to 0. And we have denominator x squared plus x. So x squared plus x cannot be equal to 0, right? From first equation, we know that x is greater than or equal to negative 1 over 2. And for this one, let's factor x times x plus 1 cannot be equal to 0. So x cannot be equal to 0 or x cannot be equal to negative 1, right? Now let's draw number line. Here, this is x number line. Here, x is greater than or equal to negative 1/2. So let's say this is negative 1/2. So this part right here is our solution, including negative 1 over 2, right? Where x cannot be equal to 0 or x cannot be equal to negative 1. So 0 must be excluded from solution set. We don't have to worry about x is equal to negative 1 because this value is outside of the solution region, right? Negative 1 is right here. Therefore, our domain is x is from negative 1/2 to 0, but 0 must be excluded, or x is greater than 0, right? So the answer is D.